So chapter 14 is graph theory. There are 4 sections in the chapter. The first chapter, 14.1, is a lot of definitions. Let me talk about, though, what is graph theory. Here is a graph theory problem. I'll draw the graph. A graph is a set of dots and lines connecting the dots. I think of this one, looks like a house. I did not put a dot in the middle where the 2 lines cross. The dots are generally labeled with letters. They'll use capital letters. I suppose we could use lowercase, but they typically will default to capital letters. So I just used A, B, C, D, E. Here's a graph, and your job is to trace through this graph without lifting your pencil from the page, without going over an edge more than once. Start and stop at the same place. I will write that. I will give you a few minutes to think about it. I will ask for a solution. Think about it, though. Here's what we want to do. Trace this graph do not go over an edge more than once. Do not pick up your pencil. Start and stop at the same place. Okay, I'll give you a minute to think about it. Girls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows up. I appreciate it. Oh, that's probably on my video. All right, who has an answer? Nobody? Usually somebody, yes.
So you're going to start at D, go up to A.
Start at D, go up to A. E, thank you. Go up to A.
Yeah, and then from A, go to D.
Okay.
And then from D, go to E.
E.
Yes. And then from E, I'll go to C.
Okay.
And then go to A.
Okay.
And then from A, go to B.
Okay.
From B, go to C.
Yep.
And then from C, go to D.
Okay.
I messed up.
Ah. No, you did not mess up. I was expecting an answer similar to what you gave. Let me number the edges. We went from E to A, then we went to D. From D we went back to E. I went to C. We went to A. I went to B, to C, and then to D. You did not mess up because, but now first of all, is that what I asked you to find. No, no. What I asked you to find is not possible. So you didn't mess up, and I was hoping somebody would give me the answer that's on the paper right here. So what I've actually asked you to do is impossible. Now what makes it impossible is something that we're going to look at in this chapter. Anybody have an idea of what? Well, first of all, what was not done? We traced through it. We did not go over an edge more than once. I don't need to pick up my pencil or my pen. I covered the whole graph. What did I not do? We did not start and stop at the same place. And actually, this particular problem, it is not possible to start and stop at the same place. Who knows what makes it impossible? Yes, it's the number of lines that meet at each dot. So if I look at E and I look at D, there are 3 lines that meet at those dots, and that makes it impossible. Having an odd number of lines at those dots makes it impossible to start and stop at the same place.